Hi guys, nice to see you again. This is Joseph Kim and welcome to Joseph's Beginner Korean class. Alright, in today's class we are going to learn 쇼핑용어. 쇼핑용어, which means terms that relate you to shopping. Alright, actually we've covered shopping topic in the previous class a little bit, but in today's class we are going to learn some sort of some specialized terms and word. Okay? Yeah. Okay, let's start with the first sentence. 한국에서는 도로 옆 상가 건물에 병원, 가게, 학원들이 밀집돼 있다. It's quite a long sentence. Okay, we are going to analyze bits and bits. 한국 means Korea. 에서는 is like a preposition, the place preposition. So at the where, at the. Okay, so 한국에서는 at the or in the. So 한국에서는 as a chunk, just memorize. 한국에서는 as a chunk means in Korea. Okay, in Korea. 도로 옆. 도로 means road. 옆 means nearby. So nearby road. 상가. 상가 means commercial, 건물 building. So 상가 건물, you will see a lot in Korea. Just many buildings next to the road. 상가 건물. 상가 건물 as a chunk means commercial building. Okay? Commercial building. So 상가 건물에 at the commercial building. 병원. 병원 means hospital. 가게, store. 학원, institute. 학원, I used to be an institute teacher. So 학원들, 들 is, as I said before, plural. So 학원들 means institutes. So 병원, 가게, 학원들이 밀집돼 있다. 밀집 means swarmed. So many stores swarmed in one building. So hospital, store, institutes are swarmed in commercial building nearby road in Korea. Okay, so let's follow. Okay, practice. Let's practice bits and bits. Okay, so just follow after me. 한국에서는 도로 옆 상가 건물에 병원, 가게, 학원들이 밀집돼 있다. Alright, yeah. Let's move on to second sentence. 결함이 있는. 결함 means defective. So 결함이 있는. Just 결함 itself is known, so it means defect. And 결함이 있는 as a chunk refers to adjective. So defective, it means defective. 결함이 있는 defective. 상품들은, 상품 is item or merchandise. So 결함이 있는 상품들은 means items that defective. Okay? Items that are defective. 영수증 means receipt. 영수증이 있으면 means if you have receipt. If you have a receipt. 환불 means refund. 가능하다 possible. So 환불이 가능하다. 여러분, 자, 환불이 가능하다 means it is possible to get a refund. So if the items that are defective, refund is possible if you have a receipt. So follow after me, bits and bits. 결함이 있는 상품들은 영수증이 있으면 환불이 가능하다. Great. Okay, let's practice word. 신상품 means brand new goods. So 신 is like a brand new. it's an adjective. 신 means brand new. 상품 means item. So 신상품 means brand new goods. Brand new goods. Items that used to be sold like until last month, but it doesn't sell anymore. How do you say in Korean? 2월 상품. 2월 상품. It's a little difficult word. 2월 상품 means items that used to be sold before, but it does not sell anymore. Okay? 2월 상품. 재고 정리 할인. 할인 means 할인, discount. Okay? 할인 means discount. 재고 정리 is clearance. So 재고 정리 할인 is better to memorize as a whole. 재고 정리 할인. 재고 정리 할인 means clearance sale. Okay? clearance sale. 사은품. 사은품 means like a kind of gratis. Okay? If you buy this, I'll give you this. Okay? Or if you buy 1 carton of milk, an extra 1 carton of milk is free. Okay? gratis. 사은품. 사은품. If you buy a ham, like, pork ham, if you buy pork ham, we will give you little cheese as a service. That's 사은품. That's also 사은품. 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 시식 코너. 시식 코너. If you come to Korean market, right? Like 롯데마트, Emart, whatever, Home Plus, there's a couple of 시식 corner. Some ladies cooking something, and when you pass by, they say, "Sir, come here, please try this. It's free. Just try this." And you taste the food a little bit, okay? And if you like it, you buy it, okay? 시식 corner. 시식 corner. But if you don't like it, you don't have to buy it, okay? 시식 corner. So 시식 means like tasting. 할부. 할부 is installment. 3 months installment, 4 months installment, 5 installment, something like that. Installment, 할부. 매진. 매진 means sold out. So if you go to the market and you say, excuse me, I want to buy oyster. Then the salesperson says, "I'm sorry, sir, it's been sold out." How do you say in Korean? 고객님, 매진됐습니다. 고객님, 매진됐습니다. It means, "Sir, I'm sorry, but it's been sold out." Okay, that's it. Very easy, right? Yeah. So if you read newspapers in Korean, if you read Korean newspapers or magazines, you will see lots of this word. Okay, and if you go to the market, you will use this word. So please memorize it right now. Okay, you guys well done today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.